This is how you back up your iPhone's data to your iCloud account. Pop into the settings, open your Apple account, which is the link at the very top, and then tap on iCloud. I have 5 gigabytes of storage. I've used 2 of them. You get 5 gigabytes for free, by the way. Every Apple account gets 5 gigs. You can upgrade for more. The prices, I think, are fairly reasonable. 2 terabytes for $13 a month, 200 gigs for $4 a month, 50 gigs for $1.29 a month. I've never used more than 5, personally. I've never paid for iCloud. Down here, we can see all the stuff that's saved to iCloud. You can back up your photos, which I don't do. That would take up 5 gigs in 1 second if I backed up my photos. You can back up your drive, passwords, notes, messages, and mail. I don't use the iPhone mail, so that's a pretty small number. I just back up my passwords, notes, drive, and messages I don't either. And you also have this iCloud backup right here. My last backup failed, as you can see. There's not enough storage space in my iCloud account to back it up. But if you do have enough space, if you tap backup now, it's saying here, I can't do it because there's not enough space. Data from iMovie won't be included. Oh, so it's going to back up some stuff, just not data from iMovie. Tap on continue, and then the backup happens down here. It's going to show an estimated amount of time remaining. It goes pretty quick in my case because I don't back up very much. I'm happy if it just backs up my messages, which I have turned off actually, and my contacts, so that if this phone ever goes missing or I buy a new phone, it's really easy just to download the data from iCloud and set up my new phone. That's the main reason I would use iCloud backup. And if you want to find free space on your phone, which will make backing up a whole lot faster, check out this video right here where I show you 5 or 6 different trash cans that can be emptied on your iPhone to find more free space. So check out that video next. And if you got value from watching this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.